cat sim right here. This is Squirrel, and this is let me check. Williams. Yeah. And this is Anna right now. So she is going to fight some women right now. See if cats get stuck all the time. Come here. Oh my gosh. Alright. Come here. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now the women don't chase you if you just go over there, because that's what people do. I don't think these people like cats really much. Like, hey, pet me, pet me. Wait, did she get stuck? No, you don't like cats? Man. I think this one. Okay, so I'm going to get prepared, and when she chases me, I could go like through her legs, and then squirrels and I have to watch an ad. And what's his name again? Oh yeah, William. I keep on forgetting. Like, yeah. So if they come here, like Squirrel and Williams will attack the woman. So I'm just waiting until they get together. Anyway, I don't care. Hold on. Yeah. Ah! That's really... Ah! Oh, they hit. They hit from here. See? See? Get it! Get her! What are you doing even? Alright. Didn't do a really good job, Squirrel and William. Alright. I don't know why in my cat sim, the girls are always stronger than boys. Oh, the dogs are aggressive. I'm not sure if I want to go there. No, I don't want to go there. Alright. No, as you could skip. Alright, so I'm going to go to a spider. I need to hunt down a spider because I really want a second kitten. Squirrel was our first kitten. She grew up to be a really awesome and wonderful cat. You could watch in the video Squirrel, the Enemy Killer. She's awesome. Not too far from Target. Where the tail is the spiders. Oh, right there. The amazing thing about Cat Sim is the cats are not scared of the spiders. They're not poisonous. Sometimes when you like finish it up and then you jump, you get into a speed glitch. But I'm not gonna do that right now, or not. Alright, let's eat. Hold on. Let's eat. Wait, what's wrong with me? Did I get into a glitch or something? Wow, Naira's so fast. Wow. I totally attacked the dogs with this. I'm not sure because then Squirrel and William, I don't think they're gonna do that. But I'm still gonna attack the dogs anyways. I'm just gonna experiment. Come and catch me. Hey, you can't catch me. You never catch me, right? You didn't never get me. I just want the cats. I know you did. Alright, that did work. So I'm just gonna run around. No, it's just gonna push me around. Dog's never gonna catch me. They're so slow. I don't want the cats to lose the dog. There's one more dog. It's really hard to get them to work. Ugh. It never. Alright. So, alright. You gotta die. Alright, so the next kitten will be a girl too, and her name will be Bridget. Because I like that name. It's one of the students' name though. Alright, look at you. I'm gonna stop this. Alright. So, Cat Sim is a free game. It doesn't cost any money. Yeah. This is an hour right now. You could click camera free. And I'm going to upgrade some cats right now. Another ad. Okay, I'm not showing you the ad because that wouldn't be good if I post it to YouTube. Alright. So what have we got here? I don't have a lot of money. Alright, this much money, if you think it's a lot, you could think it's a lot, but it's not really much because all the cats cost a lot. Wait, I got that one. I have this one right here because I just wanted it. And I got it because of my money. Alright. Raccoons are not aggressive. So get the raccoon. You can get it. Go and earn it. Go. Nope. No, back out. Oh, both William and me leveled up. Wow, that's so crazy. Alright. Oh, there. Something appeared right there. What was that? Alright, we're gonna attack the raccoon. Was that the bear? Yeah, the bear is aggressive. Press this button. Make it stop. For more time. Just in case if your family members are slow, you can press this button and don't really waste energy on it when you don't have a enemy because you could make the enemy dizzy with that button. Click it. The cat shouts, and then the enemy stops, and then your other family members attack. If you don't have a family member, that doesn't really work. It just makes the enemy stop, and it also works for you to get more life, but not much. Alright, so I'm just gonna head this way. What is that? Oh, what? Is that a garbage? Is that a garbage can? Oh, no, that's a bear. Wow, that actually is a bear. Okay, so I'm not really heading that way. I'm gonna head to the spiders this way so I don't catch up with the bear. These are really near. There's more spiders right here, so I'm definitely going that way. Alright. It's been 9 minutes now. 3 seconds. Wait. What's that? What's that? Is there actually like a thing there or anything? Let me go explore. What is that? Oh. Wait, hold on. Is that a ball for a cat? Oh, that's just somebody's home. Alright, so I'm going to get this. Eat it. Don't worry, nobody's gonna attack me. Alright, you guys eat. Alright, perfect. Alright, squirrel was about to steal my food. And another ad about a cat. Alright. The reason why I back out of ads right now because I'm doing a video, no matter how good are they. I can see them next time. I'll see the puzzle games and stuff. Like one day there was a lot of ads and that it's all the same. I hate when that happens. We're not getting the seagulls, okay? I mean, I could. Actually, there is a glitch. There is a glitch that I would use for the seagulls. I prefer to use. Because, you know, seagulls are really, they're hard to defeat. Hey, they don't defeat this one. Could this work right now? Yeah, it worked. Did it? Yeah. I wasted my hit. I could become another cat and go in this cat dead glitch again. Oh my gosh. That actually kind of looks like Squirrel is beating up an Arrowhead, but that isn't really happening right now. I just want to get this glitch. All right. So that is how you get into this glitch. Or you could press this, it goes on this. Hey, why are you facing your butt at me? Ew. Alright. So, yes, there's no ad. I could probably play a squirrel right now, but her health is gonna be low. Let's try this. I can't record right now. I'm gonna play a squirrel. Oh, she's alive. She's alive. No, I didn't catch her. I mean, yes, I got the cats to hit the seagull. Defeat me. Alright, don't press resume with the black screen because you'll go back to your home. And the seagulls win. Oh my gosh. You can't really see how much life. Yes, you just defeated the seagull. As I was saying, you can't really see what how many more life does the seagull have in this cat data glitch. Look at Squirrel. She's like, oh, something like that. She's like, hey, help me. I'm in this cat dead glitch. I can't move. All right. Another ad. Come on. I'm not getting any of these ads. That was an Trick Academy. All right. Can't get anything? Squirrel. This is a ditter. And we're so close to having a kitten. So all I have to do right now is get Naira to go to 20 and Williams to go to 22. And then they're going to go to pregnancy and have a baby. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. I was in this glitch. Yeah. She's safe. I don't know why when your family members get crushed by a car, if you play as them, they die. But your family members never die in this game. Because they're just here to help you. I don't know why. I think it should be a way of cheating, but... Oh, why are they hitting me? Where the tail is Squirrel. And Williams. What is that? What is that? I don't know why, but they just went there to attack the seagulls. Bad kitties. You guys are bad. It's only... Alright, we're going home. We're going home. I am going to teach you a lesson. That you should not do that. I'm just gonna walk on this thing. Kind of looks weird. I am a cat. First, we'll take a nap. And then we'll teach Squirrel and Williams a lesson. Get down. You do not do that, okay? You do not just straightly attack the seagulls. Only when you only attack the seagulls when they attack me or any of you. They never do. So stop that. She's like, oh, I don't. She's like not happy. Anyways, and teach Williams a lesson. Williams, you do not do that. He's mad at me like, oh, I could do that. Look at him. He's so funny. All right, now all of you have learned a lesson. Did you? Okay, that was it for now. And so Cat Sim is a really wonderful game, but sometimes it restarts the progress. But I'm sure you'll have a really good cat family in this simulator. Cat Sim. Alright. I am going to get my cats to go to level 20. Especially Inara and William. So that is it for now. And they're gonna go on, and Inara's gonna go on pregnancy soon. And she's going to have the baby. So, see you later, alligators. See you later, guys.